Meet the incredible Kolibris, also known as hummingbirds. These tiny wonders weigh just a few grams, but boast remarkable flight skills. With wings beating up to 80 times per second, they can hover and even fly backward. Their vibrant, iridescent plumage adds to their charm. Hummingbirds are expert foragers, using their specialized tongue to extract nectar from brightly colored flowers. They're the only birds capable of sustained backward flight. But it's not just about flight. These little dynamos are also impressive migrants, covering thousands of miles between breeding and wintering grounds. Their high metabolism demands constant energy, driving them to consume large amounts of nectar daily. Despite their small size, hummingbirds are fiercely territorial, defending their feeding and nesting areas. Their agile flight and captivating behaviors make them a true marvel in the avian world. Stay tuned to discover more about these enchanting Kolibris in our journey through the world of nature.